Stop listening to broke people giving financial advice. Most of what you call playing it safe is actually the fastest way to stay poor forever. Here are the 30 biggest money myths you need to stop believing right now. Renting is throwing money away. Renting provides flexibility and caps repair costs. You need a lot of money to invest. Compound interest works even on $10. Credit cards are always evil. Rewards and credit scores are vital if paid off. Your home is your best investment. Primary residences have high carrying costs. Gold is the safest investment. Gold has underperformed the S&P 500 long-term. A degree guarantees a high salary. Skill-based trades often out-earn many degrees. You should save every penny. Inflation eats stagnant cash. You must invest. Buying a new car is a status move. It loses 20% value the moment you drive off. High income equals wealth. Wealth is what you keep, not what you spend. I'm too young to worry about retirement. Waiting 10 years can cost you millions. All debt is bad debt. Strategic debt, like business loans, builds wealth. Diversification is for losers. Concentration builds wealth. Diversification preserves it. You can time the market. Time in the market beats timing the market. Rich people are just lucky. Most millionaires are self-made through discipline. Budgeting is too restrictive. A budget is actually permission to spend. The stock market is gambling. It is owning a piece of productive businesses. You need an advisor to start. Low-cost index funds are simple for everyone. Savings accounts are safe. You lose purchasing power every year to inflation. More money solves all problems. Money just magnifies your existing habits. Pay off all debt before investing. Low-interest debt can be managed while investing. Insurance is a waste of money. It protects you from total financial ruin. Millionaires drive luxury cars. Most millionaires drive reliable vehicles. You need to be a math genius. Finance is 80% behavior and 20% knowledge. I'll start saving when I earn more. If you can't save $10, you won't save $1,000. Buying in bulk always saves money. Only if you actually use it before it expires. Real estate is passive income. It requires maintenance, taxes, and tenants. Financial success is a destination. It is a lifelong habit and mindset. Social Security will fund retirement. It was meant as a safety net, not a full income. Cutting lattes will make you rich. Focus on the big wins, housing, cars, first. You have to be cheap to be rich. Frugality is about value. Cheapness is about price. Wealth isn't about how much you make. It's about how you think. Stop falling for the myths and start playing the long game. Which of these myths were you still believing? Let me know in the comments and hit follow to finally get ahead.